The elevate pads command will make quick work of elevating your building pads that have a finished floor or an elevation on the inside or within that pad. So here I have some CAD data. You can see I've got it's a rectangle, and I also have a finished floor elevation of the pad. You'll notice over here that they're all down here at 0. There's no elevation to them. So what I can do is use the pad command, which is on the data prep tab. Can select the lines, and I can even do a vertical offset. So if I wanted to take finished floor and adjust it down, maybe to put this pad at 8 inches below the finished floor for subgrade or whatever, I could put an offset in here. What I'm going to do here is just simply come in and choose the objects by layer. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick my pads and my text. We'll close that, and I'll click apply, and it shows 180 pads were elevated. It'll take a second to process, but now you'll see when I get out of that command that all those pads have been elevated. And if we take a look at their properties, we will see that the elevation is set properly. So 798.15, this one should be 796.80, which it is. So real quickly, in just a matter of minutes, I can quickly elevate the pads based off of text values.